Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you. Well, since you're already here, let's go have a look around. There are so many things to love in this tucked away standalone townhome. The large windows and high ceilings make this first floor feel airy and open. The slider to the private patio makes outdoor entertaining easy. The second floor features 2 generous bedrooms and a full bathroom. This third floor features an office flex space as well as the spacious primary suite with ensuite bath and a deck. All of this and just minutes away from everything that West Seattle has to offer, including Alki and the Junction. Just a quick trip over the bridge to downtown. And if you prefer transit, we are right on the Rapid Ride line. And if you wait long enough, you're going to be within walking distance of the proposed West Seattle Light Rail Station. What are you waiting for? Call my team today for a private tour. Cheers.